Hello friends and welcome back to Gentle Herb Living, where we uncover the surprising truths that help you grow a vibrant, healthy garden naturally. Today, I want to tackle a topic that almost no one talks about, something that might sound unthinkable. You can have too much compost, and it can actually harm your plants. I know it feels counterintuitive. Compost has become the gold standard of gardening advice. You hear it everywhere. Just add more compost, and your soil problems will disappear. But here's the reality. When you overdo it, compost can unbalance your soil, damage plant roots, and reduce your yields over time. Let's start with the issue of nutrient overload. Compost is full of nutrients, which is fantastic in moderation. But if you pile on thick layers season after season, you can end up with excessive levels of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. High nitrogen can cause lush leafy growth, but weak stems and few flowers or fruits. Too much phosphorus binds up micronutrients like iron and zinc, leading to deficiencies that show up as yellowing leaves and poor development. It's like overfeeding your plants to the point of making them sick. Another hidden danger is salt buildup. All organic matter, including compost, contains soluble salts. In small amounts, these aren't a problem, but in raised beds or container gardens where drainage is limited, salts accumulate over time, making it harder for roots to take up water. The result is stunted, stressed plants that look like they're suffering from drought even if you're watering regularly. So let's talk about soil structure issues. Many folks out there believe that adding more compost will always make the soil lighter and fluffier. But, here's the thing. If you go overboard and apply it in really large amounts, it can actually make the soil too loose, and well, that's not great. This looseness reduces the soil's ability to hold on to moisture, and it can lead to nutrient leaching every time it rains. Now, what often happens in over-amended beds is that plants develop these shallow root systems because, well, they don't really need to reach deep for nutrients. But, when a dry spell or a heat wave hits, those roots can't access the water reserves that are deeper in the ground, and, unfortunately, your plants wilt pretty quickly. So, what's the right way to use compost? Well, think of it as a soil conditioner rather than a replacement for your native soil. A layer of 1 to 2 inches, worked gently into the top few inches, is usually enough to improve fertility and texture without overloading your beds. If you're topping off raised beds each year, try alternating compost with other organic amendments like leaf mold, aged manure, or shredded bark. This helps maintain a balance of nutrients and supports healthy soil microbes. Remember, gardening is about balance. More isn't always better, and even good things, like compost, can become harmful in excess. Take time to observe your plants, test your soil if you're unsure, and adjust your approach based on what you see. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to Gentle Herb Living and click the bell so you never miss another natural gardening insight. Share this video with your friends and family who might be unknowingly overloading their gardens with compost. Until next time, happy gardening.